This is Varun Gosai. I'm an information technology professional with about 12 years of experience working in different Java J2E technologies. Today I'm going to show a demo of my profile made in Google Cloud, that is Google App Engine. So here if we go to this project and run as Web Engine, server is starting now. And so this is the web page and different information. This is my picture and my contact details. So if you go to educational and skills, I've done Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science from ITM University, and I've also done project management from Centennial College in Canada. Apart from that, I have also got insurance certifications, that is LOMA 280 and LOMA 290, which means Life Office Management Association certifications in life insurance business. I've worked a lot in different application servers like Google App Engine, IBM WebSphere, Wildfly 10, which is from JBoss, Oracle 9IAS, Tomcat, and worked on different technologies like Spring, Struts, Hibernate, XML, XSLT, web services. And in front-end side, I have worked in AngularJS, jQuery, CSS, JavaScript, etc. I have also knowledge in artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, Lexicart, ClipDrop. So ChatGPT is a tool basically for interactive communication with artificial intelligence tool to have detailed, useful information. And in using Lexicart, we can generate images with the capabilities of artificial intelligence. And I have worked in different databases also, Oracle, 9i, Microsoft SQL Server, Toad, Maven, MS Project also. I have worked a lot in stored procedures, SQL, PLSQL queries. So these are my social networking links on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. And I have worked on GitHub, Agile, SOA, extreme programming methodologies, and Ant build tool also. So going back to my business domain knowledge, I have worked a lot in e-commerce. I worked in IBM WebSphere application server, as well as IBM WebSphere commerce server, and in IBM's product Sterling Commerce or Commergent also I have worked, which is used for like designing web applications in e-commerce business. And I have got knowledge in broadleaf commerce also. Its details is present here. I have knowledge in the finance domain also. I have worked in banking sector and in stock market, stocks, derivatives, equity, futures, options, currency, bonds, etc. As well as compliance, risk management, etc. And knowledge in using JFree chart for generating 2D or 3D images along with Java. So we can have different coordinates and use different swing components to generate different graphs and charts. I have expertise in struts also. In struts here, for example, we can fill the information, my producer first name, secret word, struts, word, favorite color, green, really your favorite color, pretty nice. And here we can write the message hello there, and if we submit it, so this is the information I entered, hello Varun Gosai, secret word, green color, etc. This all information which we entered here is have used struts. So in basically in struts we are having struts config.xml, which is called from web.xml, and in struts.config.xml we have different forms, action forms, as well as action mappings defined, where we can specify that once the action is successful, then which view will be called, or if there is an error, then what will be the error message, and global action forwards, etc. All these information is defined in struts.config.xml. And struts localization also we can use for displaying the message in different languages, say English, French, German, Spanish, etc. And I've worked a lot in enterprise Java Beans also, which is used in distributed web applications. Here we define home and on as well as remote interfaces and deploy beans in a like distributed environment. And I have knowledge in business process management, BPM suite also. Here we can define different events, tasks, etc., as well as like different gateways which we can use. So whether our business domain is finance or transportation or e-commerce or any other business domain, depending on it, we can define our workflow using business rule management systems. Generally, all businesses have their own customized workflow management systems also. So in XML transformation, I've worked a lot in XML, XSLT, etc. So this all information, roll number, first name, last name, this is all is coming from XML, that is students.xml. So this information is parsed by XSLT. So all this grade information, whether it's medium, low, or high, is coming using XSLT. So if the marks is greater than 90, then we are having grade high. If it's greater than 80, then between 80 and 90, then it's medium, or otherwise it's low. So we can define our logic in XSLT to parse the XML document and display. And this header we can display using CSS. Apart from that, I have worked in JSON also. So here we are having, let's say, 12 February and different this event, venue, concerts. And if we click on Ajax update, this information will be changed. So after clicking, we can see different image. So basically in Ajax we use XML HTTP request objects to communicate, to send the information as well, get the response, whether response is okay or there is an error. So basically on ready state change we can show the different message. And Ajax is very useful when there are many components and there is a very complex web page, and we just want one particular area from the web page to communicate with the server and display the information. And I worked in AngularJS also a lot. So here if I write name Varun, and if we see here name in uppercase, fees, etc., here also it's updating as I'm typing. So using string interpolation method, the input values which I'm entering here will be automatically updated below. So all this information we are using Angular. And we can generate order form also. So here we are having a total of there are different components, some are active and some are inactive. So depending on whether what components, what elements are active, we can use this as a displaying this total information. So if I select software license 500 and testing 250, so all these green components, they are now added up and showing the total 1500. So here we are using in Angular scope, we are toggling the elements from active to inactive state, and the color is changing. And basically using Angular dot for each method, we are iterating and getting the total. So this all is used, this page is used using the concepts in Angular framework. And these Google user app services, application statistics, etc. all these are in can also explain in Google Management Console more about these things. Google Maps is a it's like a web mapping service. Here we can show the like page using Google Map. So here we can have the latitude or longitude information in the marker object, and it will be useful in a lot of applications where they have to show the location with the city information or country information. So this is also very useful component. And these components register, these are all done using jQuery Easy UI framework. It is also a JavaScript framework with a lot of different UI elements, whether it's drop down or elements or text box or text area or like scroll, etc. So it's all automatically validating that this field is a required field, and this is like a wrong email address, so we have to enter a valid email address. So here we can enter all the different information, whether it's required or not required. And so these are different technologies which I have worked on. And in Google Cloud Platform, if we go to Management Console, then can have all the information related to our application from the Management Console side. So here we can select a project. The name of my project is Silverbits, so we can see this information. And if you go to dashboard, it shows all the project information, project name, project number, project ID, etc. all as well as APIs, which shows the like usage, how much we are using, the status, what is the like platform current status, or the services are normal or not, billing information. We can select a period of a particular month or year, and determine how much is the billing. It is basically charged as per the usage of different Google's resources, whether it's like database sources or a number of requests which we get on our web page, storage or cloud functions which we use. And this is basically monitoring and error reporting, or checking all the information from about our application from the management perspective. So that's it, friend. If there is any feedback or comments, please send me an email on vigosignjob@gmail.com. It's also mentioned here. And please also let me know about the different opportunities in Java J2 technologies. Thank you very much.